everybody. So today I'm back with another video. So last videos ഞാൻ കാര്യങ്ങൾ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു about certain things to be taken care of in a relationship, then certain things or types, then certain things which we have to do before like outer course thing. അങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു കാര്യമാണ് the general thing which you have to take care of, that is things to be taken care of before performing love making session or the sex. That is today's topic to discuss. So what are things both the partners should take care before getting into the physical level. So to perform or to have this thing, first of all you have to set up a mood. There are lots of things. So a mood setup ആക്കാനാണ് first thing. So അതിൽ you can even text message to your partner. കുറച്ചുകൂടി സെക്ഷൽ ലെവലിൽ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ആക്കാം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കുറച്ചുകൂടി റൊമാൻറ്റിക് വേയിൽ ആക്കാം. ഇറ്റ് ഡിപ്പെൻഡ്സ് ഓൺ യുവർ ലെവൽ. So that is mood creation. We are not doing a kind of mechanical thing. So a mood setup is very important to feel that action. Second thing is that when you are planning things, make sure that you just like your work related things or certain meetings will be there. You have to schedule that too. So make priorities regarding your duties or the work oriented people. You have to schedule everything and then start planning your sessions, so that you may not forget things which is also important in your life, that is your work related. That is also you have to keep in mind. So schedule your plan and then have your love making session. Third thing is that you have to groom yourself. Grooming is very important thing. Grooming means എന്താണ് നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത് grooming, കുറച്ചുകൂടി കാണാൻ നല്ല പോലെ ഇരിക്കുക. യു ഹാവ് ടു ടേക്ക് കെയർ ഓഫ് യുവർ സെൽഫ്. കുറച്ചുകൂടി സ്റ്റൈലിഷ്. ഗ്രൂം യുവർ ഹെയർ, ഗ്രൂം യുവർ സ്കിൻ. യു ഹാവ് ടു മേക്ക് അപ്പ് തിങ്സ്. We used to use certain cosmetics. Nowadays lots of products are available for men's too. So you have to do certain things which will elevate your level. അങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നുണ്ട്, ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യം തന്നെ സെയിം തിങ് കണ്ടിട്ട് ആരാണെങ്കിലും ചെറിയ ബോർഡം വരും. So you have to level your style, your physical style. You have to level it up to make things കുറച്ചുകൂടി spicier or കുറച്ചുകൂടി newer thing to experience. That is, a grooming is very important. Next thing is like that, keep a communication level high. You have to I have heard certain term like sexting. So that is the thing, means like messaging pole tanne we are sharing our thoughts, like sexual thoughts, in the form of message. So develop that thing with your partner to get into the mood. Now it is very common. People used to do to have a intimacy, കുറച്ചുകൂടി deeper level പോവാൻ വേണ്ടി they used to type these kinds of messages. അത് കുറച്ചുകൂടി സെക്ഷൽ റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിരിക്കും sexting. Next is that you have to take care that about your food habits, because you are dealing with your partner physically. It's not just a communication level, physical avana. So make sure that you eat healthy foods. Lots of foods are there which causes the gastric trouble or bad breath. So ഈ ബാഡ് ബ്രെത്ത് കാരണം ആരും അടുത്ത് വരാൻ നോക്കത്തില്ല. So have a healthy life, healthy food at least at that time. ഒരു ഗ്യാസ്ട്രിക് ട്രബിൾ or the gas related ബുദ്ധിമുട്ട് കാരണം ഒരു നല്ലൊരു മൂഡ് സെറ്റപ്പ് സ്പോയിൽ ആവാൻ പാടില്ല. So make sure that you eat healthy, light foods, soft drinks and all. Next is that wardrobe. That is a very important part. You have to upgrade your wardrobe accordingly. So that means you have to be more stylish, be more attractive to your partner always. It's not a one thing time. You have to be with your partner for a full time, or for a long time, or for a lifetime. So make sure that you groom yourself, you be a stylish one for your partner, be attractive, because this attraction, first we have to see with our eyes. So like what we say, that virtual, or the image which is being focused in our brain will be the thing which is you're presenting yourself. That is more important to set a mood. So always wear attractive clothes. Don't think it has been done after marriage, it is just over, we will be like that. Always make sure both the partners, they should be very much attractive to each other. So upgrade your wardrobe always. That is the important thing. Then most important thing is that change your undergarments. So if you are wearing in a daily basis, in a day, try to change at night too. Or it's not necessary that you have to change every time, but make sure that it should be like a hygienic one, and like a much more fancier one, if you are if you want to create a mood and all. So do not wear old stuff. It will be like a normal thing. People might get bored. So always try to add new things in your life. That is a thing to share. Then comes regarding your work. So nowadays both the partners are working. Work cheyna partners aanu. So never take your work into your bed. That is the most important thing. ഇങ്ങനെ ജോലി റിലേറ്റഡ് വർക്കോ എന്തെങ്കിലും പറയാനോ അതൊന്നും കൊണ്ടുവരാൻ പാടില്ല റൂമിനകത്ത്. ഓർ വൈൽ ബീയിങ് ടുഗെദർ, നിങ്ങൾ ഒരുമിച്ച് ഒരു ടൈം ആണെങ്കിൽ ഡോണ്ട് ബ്രിങ് യുവർ വർക്ക്. ഓൾവേസ് കീപ് ദാറ്റ് വർക്ക് അറ്റ് വർക്ക് പ്ലേസ് ഇറ്റ് സെൽഫ്. സോ ആ ടൈമിൽ നിങ്ങൾ കുറച്ചുകൂടി, ഇപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ വീട്ടിൽ വന്നാൽ യു ഹാവ് ടു ഷെയർ സം ടൈം വിത്ത് യുവർ പാർട്ട്ണർ. സോ either you can make food together. സോ രണ്ടുപേരും ഒരുമിച്ച് ഫുഡ് ഉണ്ടാക്കാം, കുറച്ച് സമയം പുറത്തിരിക്കാം, ചായ കുടിക്കാം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഷവർ എടുക്കാം ഒരുമിച്ച്. അങ്ങനെ കുറച്ച് ഒരു പ്രൈവറ്റ് ടൈം നിങ്ങൾ കൊടുക്കണം ഫോർ എ കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേഷൻ ടു ഡെവലപ്പ്. That is a very important thing, because in this busy schedule, when both the partners are working, it's very rare to get time, and most of the people are working in different areas because of their work issues. So it's very important to leave that work related stuff there itself when you are with your partner. Then next thing to take care is like always relax yourself. Don't stress yourself before getting into the bed, because if you are in a stress mode, things won't work easily. So always relax our, because നമ്മൾ സ്ട്രെസ് ആവുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഭയങ്കര ഒരു the mind will not be able to take the action in that way. സോ നിങ്ങൾ റിലാക്സ് ആയിട്ട് തന്നെ ഫീൽ ദാറ്റ് മൂമെൻറ്റ്, ഫീൽ ദാറ്റ് ജോയ്നെസ്, ദെൻ ഓൺലി നമുക്ക് ആ ഒരു പ്ലഷറബിൾ തിങ് എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ആക്കാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. നിങ്ങൾ സ്ട്രെസ് ലെവലിലാവുമ്പോൾ അതൊന്നും ഫീൽ ചെയ്യാനും പറ്റില്ല. മോർ ഓവർ ആ ഒരു സ്ട്രെസ് ലെവലിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചിലപ്പോൾ ചെയ്യാൻ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ട് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. സോ ബെറ്റർ ഓൾവേസ് റിലാക്സ്. സം ഓഫ് ദ ആർട്ടിക്കിൾസ് സേസ് ലൈക്ക് ഇറ്റ്സ് ബെറ്റർ, means before sex or before love making, it's better to meditate. Some of the articles has been said like that. So these are the things that you have to take care before going before performing love making session or the sex. Then Then one more thing is, a few things are more important too in this thing. Always get your consent, get your partner consent, that she is also ready or he is also ready for this thing before sex. Then make sure that you're not infected, because nowadays lots of infections, genital infections are there. So if you are infected, make sure that you don't perform, you don't get into that level. After treatment only you can be in a physical contact. Male infection endengil, male or female, try to avoid cheya sex. It's not compulsory to do ella desam angane cheyanam oru compulsion illa. So make sure you are not infected. Next is that use condom if you are not planning a family. It's recommended. So have a pair of condom whenever you feel to use. And also in that condom itself, you have to make yourself available with lubricants. So it's not always that you will feel the joyness of sex every time. Epplengilum or a hard face varam, ellengil or like dryness varam while performing sex. So it's better to have a lubricant available, otherwise it's going to be painful. These two things, condom as well as lubricant, should be present before getting into the session. Then comes urination part. Make sure that you urinate, both the partner urinate before as well as after the action. Because if the bladder is full, the people might end the session very soon, or any kind of urinary infection might occur. So advice aanu, you have to use bathroom, go to bathroom before as well as after sex to avoid infection, UTI infection. So these are the things that you have to take care before performing sex. So I hope ഞാൻ ഇതെല്ലാം ഏകദേശം കാര്യങ്ങൾ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇതിൽ എന്തൊക്കെ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം. It's not it's like a awareness. People get accustomed, people get like used to people get used to very easily with the normal life. So try to spice up your relation just by doing your wardrobe changed or to upgrade your style. It will definitely work out in your physical level as well as your relationship. It will work out. So with this quote I end up this video and want to say, just spice up your relationship. So till then, like my video, share, comment and subscribe my channel, and if possible hit the subscribe button, the bell button. Till then, bye.